The Strangford walk at Delamont Country Park takes in beautiful views of the loch, and along the way we'll consider the history of the Hamiltons of nearby Killyleagh Castle. There are 5 interlinked and marked routes in the park, so you can select your own distance. The Strangford Trail is just 1¼ miles long. Delamont has free access Monday to Friday, except during the summer, when there's a £4 parking fee. All of the marked trails in Delamont start and finish at the main car park. Follow the little road up a slight hill, keeping the countryside centre and old farm buildings on your left. Take a quick detour up this path to see the Strangford Stone, a 12-metre megalith hauled into place by 1,000 young people in 1999 to mark the Millennium. If I was compiling a list of the best views in Northern Ireland, this one would have to be on it somewhere. It's got it all. Green fields, Strangford Lough, the islands, St Patrick up there on the hill in Saul, and towering above everything, on a good day, you can clearly see the mighty Mourne Mountains. Continue the walk by returning to the main path and walking down towards the loch. The appeal of this area has been clear for centuries. Sir James Hamilton, one of the founding fathers of the Ulster-Scots, established a family base a couple of miles away.
The family's been here over 400 years. It all started with this man here, James Hamilton. The headquarters of the Hamiltons in the very first years was in Bangor, and it really remained their commercial centre for quite a while. But when he acquired the Killyleagh lands, he decided that he was going to move his family to Killyleagh, and he sets about improving the castle.
The path loops round along the shoreline. Just follow the signs and keep going anti-clockwise. Eventually you'll climb back up from the shore, and another detour leads to the bird hide above Heron Island, where these majestic creatures nest every winter. There are at least 6 Ulster-Scots words for heron, including crit the cran, hern and ginny. One of our additional videos features a Scots poem about them, which you can enjoy before continuing with the walk. All of this beautiful land was at one point owned by James Hamilton, and it's easy to see why so many Scottish settlers came here and decided to stay after they arrived following his invitation in the early 1600s.
Between Hamilton and Montgomery in the early 1600s, they developed these land estates that they obtained through the king, and they brought across from Scotland a lot of skilled workmen, etc., to rebuild the farms and the buildings and the towns.
At this point you can either add to the walk by joining the other routes along the same path, or return to the car park along this cut through the woods. Well, you can find out much more about the history of the Hamiltons from the other short videos that we've made. There's also some Ulster-Scots poetry from the Ballads of County Down for you to hear. They're attached to this video and designed to be played on smartphone or tablet, so you can watch them while you walk. Enjoy. Bye for now.